guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Aiyosha LaRae and I want to thank you for joining me. So today I'm going to give y'all another daily vlog, and it's me and baby girl for right now. So the first thing we're going to do today is it's going to be our first time going to the library. Well, not my first time, but my first time taking her to the library. Yeah, I'm just going to maybe just pick out some books and, you know, see how she's going to act in the library for her first time, being that she's around, you know, a lot of books and things like that. So yeah, just come along with me on this journey. And then later today, or in this vlog, I need to go to the grocery store to pick up something for dinner, which I already know what I'm cooking. After I pick up my son, it's kind of hot and I don't know if our pools are still open because school has started back, but I think I'm gonna take them to the pool, and then I do need to clean up, of course, and then cook. So I think that's all that's going to be in this vlog today. So first, me and little mama are going to the library, then I need to go to the grocery store to pick up dinner, and then may or may not go to the pool. I need to do some cleaning, which is really just picking up stuff and wiping stuff down because I did a deep clean on Sunday already. So it's just picking up stuff like toys and stuff like that and vacuuming, and then cooking, and then that's going to be today's vlog. So come join me. Okay guys, so I am back from the library, and I've also went to the grocery store before I came home. So let me show you guys what I got. I really just picked up a few things for dinner tonight, so not much. So I got some milk from baby girl, that in there. It's got some oatmeal, some cornbread for tonight, some espresso coffee pods that I want to try, some cream of mushroom and cream of celery, that's for dinner tonight, some garlic and onion powder, and then some chicken thighs, which is for dinner tonight. Oh, and then just one red and green pepper. So I'm actually, what do I want to do first? I need to soak my chicken. I need to clean up this kitchen because I got dishes in the sink and some stuff on the counter. I don't know where they came from. I'll pick up my son. Just gonna give it a good rinse. Again. And so olive oil so the seasoning will stick to the chicken. So just a little bit. The onion powder. Onion powder. Some garlic powder, and I'm gonna add some more onion powder. Okay. Some adobo, some seasoning. Some of this rotisserie chicken. I think I'm gonna add the rest of that in there. Some regular pepper. And then I'm gonna add some of this for a little kick. A little heat, just a little bit. And then the Maggi cubes. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of extra salt, just a little bit. Regular salt. Maggi cube. Good. And just a little bit of salt. Okay, so that's what it's looking like. So I'm just going to let this sit in the refrigerator, and then when I come back, I'll put it in the oven. Yep.
My sister has woken.
Take her to her daddy.
Huh?
Take her to the daddy. Okay guys, so I am back from picking up my son and getting ready to start dinner. So I need to chop up my vegetables. So I got the green pepper, red pepper, some garlic, and then this little onion, scallion, however you call it. I don't know. Okay, so I am 1 hour in cooking the chicken. I'm getting ready to pull it out and looking at it. Ew. I need this to put down in there. Oh, when you need a bigger pot. Yeah. Okay, so now it's an hour in. What'd she do? What did she do? What did she do? Some hoes. What did she do? She took it off? Go sit on the potty.
Go sit on the potty.
Go get on the potty. Alright, gonna do another hour. Another hour. I topped it off with some butter on top. We just got some regular rice. Then of course the chicken. It's the final product. To end this vlog here, I am tired. I finished eating. The food was really good. I did a little cleaning, but I didn't do as much cleaning as I wanted to. So I don't know, I might get up and finish tonight, or I might just do it tomorrow. But for now, this is the end of the vlog. I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you want to see more of me, more of my family, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, and comment anything you want. If you like the video, what you liked about it, what you didn't like about it, all that good stuff. But for now, good night.